How to use app lock in Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In here, scroll down and click on utilities. After you have clicked on utilities, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find app locker. Click on app locker. Then you will need to add your lock screen password, then it will open this kind of page. In here, click on add apps at the bottom. After you have clicked on add apps, you'll find list of apps. Select the one you want to add app lock in. Then go back by clicking on the arrow at the top. And as you can see, the app has been added as app locker list. And this is how to use app lock in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.